See, I use a sharp object here because I was having issues putting this chain in, but my mark is there, but the hole wasn't aligned, so I used this like an ice pick. See right there, sharp in the corner, and I just pushed it that way, and the chain went in, and the bolts are aligned. So that's another tip there, okay? And again, a warning for these bolts that might fall off here. Make sure you have rags in there, tucked in there, okay? And there's 3 of them, so I'm gonna leave that one for now and put the other bolt right here, okay? And there's a hole there, so you're not gonna make a mistake. But the chain to go in this sprocket, it's gotta be you gotta use this tool right here, okay? And I'm still on timing on the back. Let me show you in the back there. See, it's still up. This 2, that's why I mark it so you can see it. And then I have this 2 10 millimeter by 30 millimeter bolts that's on the hole, so that's a timing there, okay? 1 here, driver's side, 1 passenger side, and these supposed to be up right there. And your timing on the crankshaft should be right there, 20 after top dead center. See, it didn't even move at all. See the white mark right there? You can see that white mark right there. That's 20 after top dead center. All right, okay.